Stop watching movies the wrong way. What if I told you that one movie can change your English forever? Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Calm Speak English. I'm Alex. Today, I will show you how to use movies in a smart way to learn English faster and more naturally. And yes, today you will get 5 simple tips you can start using right now. Movies are not just for fun. Movies are powerful teachers. They show you real life, real emotions, and real conversations. When you watch a movie, you hear natural English. You hear real speed, real feelings, real reactions. This is something books cannot fully give you. Movies also help your memory. When you feel something, when you laugh, cry, or feel excited, your brain remembers better. That is why movie lines stay in your mind for years. Movies also teach you culture. You learn how people speak to friends, to family, to strangers. You learn how people show respect, love, anger, surprise, and apology. This is real communication. And your listening? It becomes stronger every time you watch. At first, it feels fast, but slowly your ear adjusts. And when your listening improves, your speaking improves too. Now let's talk about choosing the right movie. Many learners choose movies that are too difficult. Fast talking, heavy accents, hard words. They feel tired. They stop. Learning with movies should be enjoyable. So choose something simple. Choose something you like. Cartoons, family shows, and light comedies are perfect. If you already know the story in your own language, even better. Your brain can focus on English instead of the story. TV series are also great. You hear the same voices again and again. This repetition makes learning easier. Now let's talk about subtitles. Subtitles are not bad. They are tools. The best choice is English subtitles. You hear the word, you see the word. Your brain connects sound, spelling, and meaning together. But subtitles in your own language make your brain lazy. You stop listening. Start with English subtitles. Later, try short parts without them. Go slowly. This is not a race. Now, let me show you a powerful method. Scene repetition. Choose one short scene, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes. First, just watch and enjoy. Second time, watch with English subtitles. Third time, repeat the sentences out loud. This is called shadowing. Copy the voice. Copy the tone. Copy the feeling. Repeat the same scene for 2 or 3 days, and suddenly, the English feels familiar. Now here are your 5 simple tips. Tip 1. Watch for the story first. Relax. Enjoy. Do not stop every second. Tip 2. Watch again for the language. Listen to how people greet, agree, disagree, and show emotion. Tip 3. Repeat short sentences out loud. Your mouth learns by speaking. Tip 4. Keep a small notebook. Write only useful expressions, not long lists, real-life sentences. Tip 5. Watch short clips when you are busy. Even 3 minutes a day is powerful. You do not need to understand every word. Even native speakers don't. If a movie feels too hard, change it. Simple content creates strong learning. And don't be a passive watcher. Be an active learner. Repeat, notice, practice. Learning English with movies is not only about language, it's also about enjoyment. Relax. Enjoy the story. Trust the process. Your listening will grow. Your speaking will become natural. Your confidence will rise. And now, your action step. Tonight, choose one short scene. Watch it. Repeat one sentence. That's it. If this lesson helped you, like this video, subscribe to Calm Speak English, and practice with me every day. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.